Hey guys, welcome back to the Bam Bam Fabrications YouTube channel. On this episode, I'll get the AC lines made and fitted. I'll go ahead and fit the front guards and the bonnet. I'll get the doors repaired and painted, and we test fit the tray, which is the old tray off Jigsaw. We're going to go ahead and recycle it. So yeah, thanks guys also for all the likes and the comments on the videos. It's been really awesome, really helps the algorithm out, and thanks to all the new subscribers. We're nearly up to 200 now. We've basically doubled since this international build series has been going on. So yeah, thanks again guys. So yeah, for this video, if you can go ahead and yeah, like and comment, it really helps the algorithm out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and for those of you who can, yeah, if you can share it, I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, tell a friend, send it to them via messenger or text, or share it on your socials. That'd really help us out, and I really appreciate it. Rightio guys, let's get into the video. Rightio guys, welcome back. What we're going to go ahead and get started on this morning is I got the aircon hoses mocked up there yesterday. Went ahead, cut them, orientate them, and got them crimped. So all the aircon hoses are right to go. So I'm going to go ahead and fit them up first thing this morning. Then once they're fitted up, I want to fit the front guards up. So they're pretty much right to bolt on. Yeah, it's just to get some of these aircon hoses on, it's just impossible just about with the front guards on. So yeah, aircon hoses first. Then I want to get the front guards on. Then I'll probably look at getting back into the wiring. I've sort of roughed it out where everything's going to go. Now I've got to get back into the wiring, sort of that out. So once the front guards are on, obviously then I can start like headlight wiring and all that sort of jazz. So yeah, get into those few jobs, and yeah, we'll touch back. Rightio guys, this is where I got up to yesterday. Got both the guards hung. They're not fully locked down. Basically I didn't want to lock everything down until I got the bonnet on it to get the gaps right. So I went up the block and I got these bonnet hinges off the other AA cab. These work really well. So I'm going to go ahead and sandblast them and paint them, get them fitted, get the bonnet on, and yeah, start gapping it, and then I'll start locking everything down. So yeah, get into it. Alright guys, it's Monday morning. Not sure where I got up to on Friday Ave, where I left you, but this is what I ended up doing. I got the bonnet hinges and the bonnet fitted, and I went ahead and gave it a quick polish. Really happy with the patina that it's got. Yeah, the look, I'm really happy. Polished the upper scuttle panel here as well. So yeah, really you can get an idea from the dash. You know, looking forward how this thing's gonna look. Yeah, like I said, really happy with it. So what I'm actually gonna probably move on to first up, I'm got the door set up here. I've got to remove all these, yeah, however many mirror brackets they've fitted to it. I've got to try and probably weld them holes up. Then what I'm going to do is clean them and tape up this side, pull all the window frame and that out of it, and then I'm going to strip the paint off the underside here. And yeah, because the inner door frames are going to get painted gloss green, and the outside is going to remain as is, polished and fixed up obviously. But yeah, so that's my first move, is get these doors stripped, and yeah, probably fix the holes up in it, and then yeah, get to stripping the paint off the inside. Alright guys, so I went and got these pressure cleaned out, cleaned up, just sanded down where I've got to fill the holes in, where they've had a couple of different sets of mirrors and that on these doors. So yeah, gonna go ahead, buzz these up, sand them off, and yeah, see what else needs repairing them. Alright guys, got all them holes welded up, ground back, sanded back, and yeah, it's got some easy phosphate coating on it. So just gonna let that sit, go have some lunch, and then yeah, probably flip these over and start yeah, fix them up on the backside. Rightio guys, this is where we got up to yesterday. Yeah, got the inner frames of the doors in primer. So they've cured overnight. Gonna go ahead and give these a sand down and yeah, try and get them in top coat this morning. Also got the bonnet hinges painted, they've dried overnight too. So yeah, gonna get in to sand these inner door frames. Alright guys, not sure how much good footage I got to use there with me painting these doors. The GoPro fell down a few times, but yeah, top coat's on, looking really good. So gonna let these dry. Got to go up the block and do a few things. So yeah, let these dry and we'll get back into it. Alright guys, this is where I got up to yesterday. As you saw, I yeah, got the inner doors painted on both sides. Got them hung. Was bored last night, so I went ahead and yeah, threw the rear glass in, so I got that done. And I've this morning I woke up early, got the roof sanded back and started yeah, applying bulb. I haven't sanded that back off, I just got in the sun so I can cure. Move my attention to yeah, mounting that electric power steering pump. So yeah, gonna go ahead and make a bracket and get that mounted. Alright guys, so I got that bracket made for the power steering pump. Really happy with it. As you can see, just uses the guard mounting bolts there. So yeah, that's sitting in the factory cradle. We've already plumbed it up. I actually made the Astra lines work. I just yeah, had to make a new return for it, which is just flexi hose anyway. Have powered it up and yeah, it steers left to right perfectly, no leaks. So yeah, really happy with that. Just got to button the wiring up and that, but I'll probably do that a bit later. What I'm actually going to probably move on to now is the tray. So that's the old tray off jigsaw. At this stage, that looks like what we're going to run. So you're going to unload it with the hoist and probably back the inner under it and yeah, see how close it's going to work. Measured it up, it's going to be close, but I may have to cut and shut the tray yet. So yeah, gonna get this tray unloaded and yeah, back the inner under it. Alright guys, so we just lowered that tray down. As you can see, yeah, the offset of them wheels and everything, they're hanging right out. So not sure what we're gonna do. It's basically falling on the mounts that I've got there. Obviously it's sitting too low, and like I said, the tires are hanging out, but it's a lot closer than what I thought it was going to be. So it may just be a matter of yeah, raising it up a good bit, good few inches, and potentially yeah, moving them tubs out, them wheel arches. Not sure yet, but yeah, at least it's giving me something to think about anyway. Rightio guys, that'll do it for this video. We're going to button it up here. Thanks for watching, and yeah, if you can do us a favour, hit the like, leave us a comment. Like I say, let us know what you're thinking about the videos. about how the direction of the channel, any ideas you got on any of the builds. Yeah, it helps the algorithm out, and I read it all and reply to them all. So yeah, thanks again guys. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, and yeah, share it with all your friends. It'd be much appreciated. Rightio guys, I'll catch you on the next one.